'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is getting heavy, can't hear the bass, boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beat chain like money. This go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow up. Hey, so let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd, whoever wanna come along. Word up, talk, just move right up the wall. There light, sky's the light, so we dance to the breakdown.
Ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so you should keep your eyes on the ball.
This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass? Boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this bitch ching like money. And this go overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm down, you know I glow. And let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Light it up like dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Light it up like dynamite. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that.
Cool shade stunner, yeah, owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that.
Break it down. Ooh, when I look in the mirror, I'm not too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so
Do the boogie
a side step right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause talk is cheap. Side step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. Smooth like butter.
Pour you in like no other. Don't need no usher to remind me you got it bad.
Ain't no other that can sweep you up like a rubber. Straight up, I gotcha, making you fall like that. Break it down. Ooh, when I look in the mirror, I'm not too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so
Do the boogie line.
side step right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause talk is cheap. A side step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. Get it, let it roll. Get it, let it roll.
Eyes on my wrist, I'm the nice guy. Got the right body and the right mind. Rolling up the party, got the right vibes. Move like haters.
Fresh boy, pull up and we lay low. All the plans get moving with the bass low. Going on me right behind us when we say so. Let's go.
Side step right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause talk is cheap. Side step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll.
Perkenalkan, saya Anwar Widagdo, pemilik klinik Anwar Home Care Nganjuk, Jawa Timur.
Saya Aprilia Irawati Suryadi dari Kendal. Sebelumnya sudah melakukan praktek perawatan luka di rumah.
Sebelum pelatihan, saya sudah mengikuti program dasar Cwcc, program perawatan luka paling dasar.
Sebelumnya sudah pernah melakukan perawatan luka. Karena terbatas alat-alat, terus terbatas pengetahuan, saya mengetahui hanya hal-hal yang basic saja ya. Ternyata setelah melakukan pelatihan ini, rasa-rasanya ilmu saya yang kemarin-kemarin tuh masih basic sekali, jauh dari kata cukup ya kayaknya ya.
Banyak ilmu baru yang saya ketahui. Contoh, dalam anamnesa, itu dulu hanya ada 10, dan sekarang sudah mulai ada perubahan. Kalau kita nggak ngikuti, akhirnya bisa ketinggalan.
Di sini alhamdulillah ditambah lagi ilmunya, terus juga untuk alat-alatnya sangat-sangat memadai ya. Di sini ada hydropressure, kita belajar ozon, terus belajar ABPI yang betul ya. Kemudian ada Venoplus yang untuk vena dan juga arteri, dan masih banyak lagi yang saya pelajari di sini.
Tadi saya sudah melakukan tindakan rawat luka, mechanical debridement atau membersihkan jaringan mati, kemudian melakukan tindakan ABPI, terus melakukan juga ozonisasi dan infrared.
Tadi saya melakukan perawatan luka, pasiennya ada undermining ya. Undermining itu lubang ke dalam lumayan panjang, kurang lebih 11 cm. Kemudian dibantu untuk perawatan ozonnya juga. Kita cek ABPI, ternyata hasilnya ada sumbatan mix di arteri dan vena. Kemudian kita lakukan perawatan yang sesuai, dikasih dressing yang sesuai ya. Jadinya lebih cepat dan lebih tepat untuk penanganannya.